Yo, was geht up? This is Phil, and in today's video, my friends, I'm going to talk about 10 mindsets that will massively improve your dating life and will enormously improve your life in general.
She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that.
If you're new to this channel or you've been watching my videos for a while, then please consider to hit like and subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell. And also let me know in the comments what you think are good mindset for your success in life and your dating life. Let's crack into the 10 mindsets that I'm giving you that will help your dating success a lot. So the first mindset I'm having for you guys is that you don't compare your past to the future, that you don't project your past experience to your future experience, because that's just not the case. You can become attractive, you can become teasing, you can become challenging, you can learn all the theory that is out there, that you are more attractive to girls, that you are more attractive and magnetic to people in general. So don't compare your past to the future. I'm here with my assistant at the moment. He's actually right behind the camera, and he was actually working in a job he didn't like so much, and he was kind of in a scarcity mindset. And we just moved to another country, we're traveling the world now, we're having a bunch of fun, and his entire mindset changed and his entire future is going to change. He is now going his own way, starting his own business, and if he would be still comparing his past and project it on the future, then this would not happen. So don't make this mistake. Second is the win-win mindset. Look, whatever happens, you see a pretty girl, she's sitting on a bench reading a book, and you go up to her. It's either she has a boyfriend or she's emotionally unavailable, and you made her a compliment and she's having a nice day. You made her day, and for you, you gained reference experience. So there is no such thing as you lost or you got rejected. So don't be a victim to your thoughts, don't be a victim, and just think win-win. Whatever happens is either you're learning or you're gaining experience or you're making someone a good time. So always think win-win. Never fall into the trap of scarcity thinking. Okay, there's enough of everything for everyone. There's enough girls on this planet for you, my friend. There's enough girls that are potential mates for you. You're not living in scarcity. We're living in a place of abundance. There's enough for everything of everyone. Especially if you are watching this video and you are living in a Western country, then there's enough for everyone of everything, and especially there's enough girls for everyone. Okay? You're not living in scarcity, and there will be some girls that like you. No matter how old you are, no matter how you look, no matter what race you are, there will be girls that like you. Don't fall in the trap of scarcity thinking. We're living in a place of abundance. Number 4 is that you're doing something amazing every day and you want to make people stay. Even if it's just a funny comment, even if it's just a compliment, even if it's just a nice thing that you tell someone, that you tell a girl that she's looking good, or that you just help someone out, just make people stay. And when you help people, you'll become more confident, you will become more happy, because that's how human beings work. If you are helping someone, if you are making someone a good time, then you will be a lot better off. So there was just this girl, and she was having this electronic scooter, and she was driving next to me, but she couldn't get started with it. So I just gave her like a little push, and she was smiling and she was happy, and the scooter was running and she had fun and she could follow her friends. So make people stay, help people, and make them a good time. So you don't want to be the needy guy that actually wants something from the people or wants something from the girl. You are a person of value. So when you go up to people, then you assume that you will like you, you assume that they will have value of talking to you, that you are a person of value that gives people a good time, and you make their days. Also, the girl, when you're talking to a girl and when you are talking to her, don't be the guy that is needy and creepy and really wants her to stay. Give her the feeling that she's not obligated to anything and that she can leave anytime, any place, and this will make you a lot more attractive to the lady. Also, mindset number 7 is that there is no reason that you are not good enough. Look, human beings are dealing with self-doubt every day. They're dealing with confidence issues every day. Even if you're having a sick life, if you're really successful, I am talking to a lot of successful people and they're doubting themselves every single day. They're asking themselves, what the am I doing here? And they are doubting themselves, they're having confidence issues, but that's just normal. Accept it. And you, my friend, you can be an inspiration for people. When you go for what you want, be motivated, and there is no reason you are not good enough. Even if you think that the girl is out of your league, go up and talk to her, gain that reference experience and make her a good time. Then the most important mindset, what we often forget, is YOLO, my friend. YOLO, you only live once. So think, what if? What happens if I don't go up to this girl I really like? What happens if I don't have a good conversation with her? What could happen if you do not do it? You may be missing out on your dream girl, you may be missing out on a potential girlfriend, you may be missing out on your future wife that you have not approached because you were scared like a little pussy. Think, what if you don't do it? So that's actually, you can actually apply that to wherever you are someone and you're seeing someone and your mind is telling you, don't do it, man, she's busy, she doesn't like it, she doesn't want, she won't like me, blah 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 blah. Think, what if? Yeah guys, I know you like this video, I know you all love me. Please consider to hit like and subscribe to this channel, turn the notification bell on, and if you want to learn more about this, about lifestyle and dating advice on my channel, my friends, then hit me up on Facebook, send me a private message and I'll add you to my Facebook group, and there you can ask questions and there we'll have a really good time. Thank you for watching this video, my friends. Boom.
She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it hurts so bad. All in and it's worth everything I have. I could feel the butterflies multiply every time I meet your eyes. Amplify deep inside once I